Dear students, welcome to lesson 6. Today we're going to be learning present continuous and some common verb phrases about traveling. But before we start learning present continuous, let's watch a video.
Dancing, singing, cooking, eating, listening, speaking, writing, reading, side by side.
What are you doing?
I'm reading.
What are you doing?
We're cooking.
What are Mary and Fred doing?
They're studying English.
What's Tom doing?
He's eating.
What's Martha doing?
She's watching TV.
What's your dog doing?
It's sleeping.
Where's Charlie? He's in the kitchen. What's he doing? Eating lunch. Charlie's in the kitchen eating lunch. Charlie's in the kitchen eating lunch. Who's in the kitchen? Charlie's in the kitchen. What's he doing? Eating lunch.
Where's Walter?
He's in the kitchen.
What's he doing?
He's eating breakfast.
Where's Betty?
She's in the park.
What's she doing?
She's eating lunch.
Where are Mr. and Mrs. Smith?
They're in the dining room.
What are they doing?
They're eating dinner.
Where's Betty?
She's in the bedroom,
What's she doing?
reading a book.
Betty's in the bedroom reading a book.
Betty's in the bedroom, reading a book.
Who's in the bedroom?
Betty's in the bedroom,
What's she doing?
reading a book.
It's a beautiful day today, Jackie.
Yes, it is, Bob. It's a beautiful day. Before we go to the weather forecast, side-by-side TV news reporter Gary Carter is live in Central Park. Gary, are you there?
Yes, Jackie, I'm here in the park, and the sun is shining and the birds are singing. It's a beautiful day. With me in the park today is the Jones family. How do you like this beautiful weather, Mr. Jones?
It's beautiful, Gary. It's a beautiful day.
What are you doing here in the park today?
I'm reading the newspaper.
And how about you, Mrs. Jones? What are you doing today?
I'm listening to the radio.
How about you two? What are your names?
I'm Sally. I'm Patty.
What are you kids doing today here in the park?
We're studying.
What's your name?
Tommy Jones.
And what are you doing on this beautiful day, Tommy?
I'm playing the guitar.
Yes, Bob and Jackie, it's a beautiful day here in the park. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Mr. Jones is reading the newspaper. Mrs. Jones is listening to the radio. Sally and Patty Jones are studying, and Tommy Jones is playing the guitar. Yes, it's a beautiful day. I'm Gary Carter, reporting live from Central Park for Side-by-Side TV News.
Welcome back to lesson 6. Let's have a look at present continuous. We use be, am, is, are plus a verb that we put ing at the end of the verb to talk about things that are happening now or at the moment of speaking. For example, I can't talk now, I'm driving. This am is the short form of am contraction. Instead of saying I am, you can say I'm. We have some signal words that we use with the present continuous tense. For example, now, right now, at the moment, or some other expressions like listen, look, and shh. Let's have a look at the positive and the negative forms of present continuous. I am working now is a positive sentence. I am not working now is a negative sentence. You're sitting in my chair is a positive sentence, but you aren't sitting in my chair is a negative sentence. He's playing football now is a positive sentence. He isn't playing football now is a negative sentence. She's crying is a positive sentence. She isn't crying is a negative form. It's raining is a positive sentence. It isn't raining is a negative sentence. We are having dinner now is a positive sentence. We aren't having dinner now is a negative sentence. They are listening to the teacher is a positive sentence. They aren't listening to the teacher is a negative sentence. Present continuous word order in questions, positive and negative answers. Word order in a positive sentence, first we have the subject, then to be verb, am, is, are, then verb plus ing. For example, you are working today. You is a subject, are is a to be verb, and working we put verb plus ing. Question form. First we have to be verb, am, is, are, followed by the subject, then verb plus ing. For example, are you working today? Question form. We have the question word first, then to be verb, then the subject, and verb plus ing. For example, where are you working today? Questions. First, let's have a look at the questions with am, is, are, or let's call it yes, no questions. And then we can look at the questions with WH. First, questions with to be verb. We put to be verb in front of the sentence. For example, are you working now? Are you working now? If the answer is positive, we say yes, I am. If the answer is negative, we say no, I am not. Again, is she sitting in my chair? Is she sitting in my chair? Yes, she is, positive answer. No, she isn't, is a negative answer. Are they listening to the teacher? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. So we put to be verb in front of the sentence to ask a yes, no question. We have WH questions here, like what, where, which, when, etc. For example, where are you going? To a party. What is he doing? He is watching TV at home. So we have WH question, then to be verb, subject, then verb plus ing. Let's now do some practice. Write sentences in the present continuous. Use the verb in brackets. Here are the questions. For example, he is having a shower. We have in brackets as a verb. Then we put it into present continuous tense. He is having a shower. Now please pause the video and do the exercises. Now let's check your answers. Question number 1. I can't talk now. I am driving. I can't talk now. I am driving. Question 2. You're doing the wrong exercise. You're doing the wrong exercise. Question 3. She's working at home today. She's working at home today. Question 4. He's playing football. He's playing football. Question 5. We're studying for an exam. We are studying for an exam. Question 6. They are swimming in the river. They are swimming in the river. In question number 1, we have I as a subject followed by am. In question 2, we use are because of you. In question 3, we use is because of she. In question 4, we use is because of he. Question 5, we use are because we have we as subject pronoun. And the last one, we use are again because we have they as subject pronoun. Let's do some more practice. It says complete the sentences with the verb in brackets in the present continuous, positive, negative, or question forms. Use contractions where possible, short forms. For example, she's eating pasta. She's eating pasta. Now please pause the video and do the exercises. Now let's check your answers. Question number 1. Excuse me, you are sitting in my seat. Sorry. Question 2. Dad isn't watching this program. He's sleeping. Okay, you can watch your program then. Question 3. Hello, what are you doing here? I'm shopping. It's Jim's birthday tomorrow. Question 4. I'm going to the gym now. Do you want to come with me? Great idea. I'm not working today. Question 5. Is Alice doing her homework? No, she isn't. She's playing computer games. Question 6. Do you want my newspaper? I'm not reading it. No, thanks. I'm watching a film on my laptop. Question 7. Is that your brother? No, my brother is over there. He is talking to his friends. Question 8. Are you having a good time in Rio? Yes, we are. We are having a great time. Now please pause the video and go to lesson 6 and then worksheet 1, and you can check your answers from answer key 1. Welcome back to lesson 6, and now we're going to be learning some common verb phrases about traveling. Leave the house. Leave the house. Carry a suitcase. Carry a suitcase. Get a taxi or a train or a bus. Get a taxi, a train, or a bus. Wait for a flight. Wait for a flight. Arrive at a hotel. Arrive at a hotel. Stay in a hotel. Stay in a hotel. Phone home. Phone home. Pack a suitcase. Pack a suitcase. Buy presents. Buy presents. Book tickets. Book tickets. Rent a car. Rent a car. And wear a coat. Wear a coat.